Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I'm going to share with you all how I made my paper tassels. These are just using my scraps. I'm just going to go ahead and the scraps that we used earlier to make some paper beads. I'm going to use this strip here. There's more. I have more scraps again here that I can pull from, and I'm going to just use this and put you on time lapse and share with you what I do. Okay. Okay guys, so I cut my page or my strips from a 12-inch to a 6-inch. I don't have those fancy scissors, so I just drew a 1/4 inch line from the top, and I cut my fringes with just regular scissors all the way to the line, and that is it. So the next thing we need excuse me, is a strip of paper. So we need to make a, where is it, a little band, and then we also need to make our hanger. Now you can use paper, I'm going to use paper, or you can use some twine or thread or whatever you choose, you use, okay? Alright, so we're going to use this little strip here, but this is too wide, so I'm going to just take a piece, probably, yeah, I'm just going to cut it in half. So this will make our little band that goes around, and then our little handle. Okay. Let me get my tweezers. So these tweezers I got from from Dollar Tree, and we just want to pinch the edge right here just to help me grip the paper just like that and keep it lined up. And we're also going to use just regular Elmer's school glue just to help us get down the keep the paper stuck together. And now what I'm trying to do is just keep the line right here, try to keep it lined up. Okay. Now this is where our band will come in. While we're still rolling, we want to put one of the bands in there. Okay, I think I want to make this a little thinner. Just a little bit thin. Don't want it too thick. And this is a little, still too long, so we're going to cut that down to what we want. It'll probably be just like that, maybe 1.25 inches. Okay, and we want to make sure our handle, our hanger is pointed the same direction as our tassel. So you see we're seeing the back side right here. So we're going to take that, the right side facing away from me. Okay, we're just going to put that right in there and then catch it right there. Gosh. And just roll right on top of it. Okay, I'm going to add more glue and just spread it out. Okay, and just keep it lined up as much as we can. Actually, I think I put this band a little early. Yeah, just a little too early, so I shouldn't have done that. But it'll still work. We'll make it work. Okay, so now we'll come to this part right here, and we're going to pull out the tweezers, because now we want this, the hanger, to be down. I'm just bending the paper into place right there. Okay, yep. And just be gentle with it and keep it lined up as much as possible. Okay, so I just want to put the last bit of glue. I just want that to stay, especially the end. All right, okay. Okay, there you go. There's our little hanger, and there's our tassel. And you know what? I don't think I'm going to use the paper on this one for the band. I'll probably put a little bit of trim on here. I'll find some kind of trim that is small enough, but there's our paper tassel. Just that easy, and we just, you know, flare it out when we need it. Then I got 3 more to go, and I'll come back and share with you when I'm done. All right. Alright guys, so I just finished the last one, and let me share with you what it looks like. I only made 4. Oops. And that marble paper is so pretty. This is what it looks like. Excuse the glue fingers. But yeah, I love the way they came out. And the other thing is, because there's a little hole at the top, the very top right here, right in there, I could stick a pin through here and use it as a bead or whatever. So just give it a shot. Some of them came out a little longer and some were shorter. You can see here, let me lay it out for you. So got this, we have the long one, and then we have the really short one. So I think they're pretty. They came out pretty, and even without the little band, you see there, and you see how short this one is compared to the others. It does not matter how long or how short. You make the length the way, however long and short you want it. But there it is, and that was just using 6 by 1 inch strip of paper and using my own scissors. I don't have the fancy fringing scissors. I just use that, cut it 1 by 1. Doesn't take long, especially if you're making these little tiny tassels. Does not take long at all. And well, thank you for watching, and I hope you all give it a shot, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.